And today, special thanks to my friends at this company who were nice enough to send me this 27-inch computer monitor. This thing is LED, energy efficient, good on your eyes, etc. And you can see here a little bit of the specs, the color, 165 hertz refresh rate, 2K resolution, very, very nice. And that's the little Amazon sticker. So we are going to take this out of the box. We'll show you around it once it's outside the box, and then we'll plug it into a computer and see what we think. All right, getting the monitor set up, you do have to remove the little sticker from the bottom. It's not really a sticker, it's like a grip pad for the monitor, but once you peel this off, you can stick it back on. Once you've put in one of the two included screws to put together the monitor stand, so it looks like this. And there we go. Once your screw's in there and tightened, you can just take this little foot and kind of stick it back on here. There we go. Now the stand is all ready, so it just very easily kind of slides into place and then have it lock right in. And there you go. Now your stand's in place. And so this is what the back of the monitor looks like. Nice little design. You do got a few buttons here on the side. And then underneath here, you've got a USB power supply, your DC port, which is just for your power for the monitor, HDMI 1 and 2, and a display port and a headphone jack. And if I was to spin this around, this would be your nice adjustable 27-inch monitor. They do include an extra screw in case you lose the one that you're trying to put in for the stand, power supply for the monitor, a display port cable, no HDMI, but they do give you a display port cable, and of course a user's manual to tell you everything that I'm not talking about here in today's video about this 27-inch 2K monitor. So let's hook this up to this computer. All right, plugged up, hit our power button. We get our nice little logo there, and it should auto-config this 27-inch monitor. Boom, right to our screen. Look at that. This is nice, very nice. Can't see any pixels, but just very, very nice, crisp and clear picture. And I mean, amazingly very thin bezels, very, very nice screen, and it auto-configured, of course, itself. So that should essentially do it for this 27-inch gaming monitor unboxing and setup. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to demonstrate and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.